In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to customize mobile views in Base44. When you're designing in Base44, it's really important to remember that what looks good on a desktop screen doesn't always translate perfectly to a phone. Text can get squished, buttons may be too close together, or sections might not stack the way you expect. That's why Base44 gives you a dedicated mobile view, so you can fine-tune exactly how your app or page appears on smaller screens. To get started, make sure you're in the Base44 editor with your project open. At the top of the editor, you'll see the different device options. Look for the icon that represents a mobile phone. This is usually near the main preview area, and it might be grouped with other device icons like desktop or tablet. Click on the Switch to Mobile icon. Once you click this, your preview area will switch from the desktop layout to a mobile layout. You should immediately see your content rearranged into a narrower, vertical view, similar to how it would appear on a smartphone. Take a moment here to scroll through and get a feel for how everything fits. This view is what your users will see when they open your app on their phones. Now that you're in mobile mode, the next step is to enable visual editing for this layout. Below the preview, look for an option labeled Visual Edit. This is the mode that lets you directly adjust elements on the screen, rather than just tweaking settings from a sidebar. Go ahead and click on Visual Edit. With Visual Edit turned on in mobile view, you can start making precise adjustments. For example, you might select a text block and reduce the font size slightly so it fits better on narrow screens. You could adjust padding and margins to give buttons more breathing room, or reorder sections so the most important content appears first when someone scrolls. As you work, keep an eye on how your changes affect readability and touch targets. On mobile, it's especially important that buttons are large enough to tap comfortably, and that there's enough spacing between interactive elements to avoid accidental clicks. A helpful tip is to periodically switch back and forth between desktop and mobile views to ensure your design remains consistent. Base44's editor is designed so that you can refine each view without losing control of the overall layout. Once you're happy with the mobile adjustments, you're done. You've successfully customized the mobile view in